Hi, I'm Dr. Hannah, chiropractor from Lifestyle Solution Centre Pure Wellness based in Bournemouth. And today I'm going to be teaching you some soft tissue releases for the upper body. Now these are great if you're having regular massage to support your massage care, but it's also really good as well to support your chiropractic care. Now the reason why that is most people come into us with this kind of posture, up across, where the head comes forward from the shoulder and the back starts to become rounded. Now in this position, some muscles get tight, mainly around the front here into the pecs and the front of the shoulder, but also across the upper back into the trapezius muscle as well. So today I'm going to show you some releases for these areas, as well as the lat muscle, which commonly also gets tight in a lot of people, and then the muscles that run either side of the spine. So the first one that we're going to do is we're going to do the pec muscle. So your pec muscle runs from your chest bone here out into your shoulder. So what you'll need for this is a lacrosse ball and a wall. So what we do is you're going to put the ball, on the muscle. You're then going to pin it between yourself and the wall. Turn your head away from the wall so you can get nice and close to the wall. You're then going to use your body weight to apply the pressure. You're then going to gently and very slowly just move the ball around your pec muscle until you find areas of tightness. At this point, you're just then going to gently rock from side to side to help break down any tightness within that muscle. In its simplest form, what we're thinking about doing here is we're thinking about breaking down the adhesions. When a muscle becomes tight, it almost repairs like this rather than being flat and smooth. So what you're doing is you're pushing out the ripples and bobbly bits within the muscle to allow it to become nice and smooth again, so it's more comfortable as it contracts over each other. The next one that I'm going to show you is how to release off the lat muscle. This one will be tender on a lot of people. So the lat muscle is actually a massive muscle that comes down here, but its insertion point is at the back of the shoulder. And when it becomes tight, it really turns the arm in, putting a lot of pressure into the shoulder area. So with this one, you're going to start with your arm up above your head. You're then going to put the ball into the back of the shoulder. You're then going to pin it in between yourself and the wall and bring the arm down to really lock it in. From there, you're then going to do some small movements just to find the spots of tenderness within the back of the shoulder, using your body weight to apply pressure to release those muscles off. And again, when you find a spot that's tender, as you can see from my face, I've found one now, you're just gently going to rock from side to side or up and down, just very tiny movements to help release that muscle off. You can repeat this, on both sides, okay? So the next muscle that we're going to release off with regards to the upper back is the muscles that run down either side of the spine. So especially around here into the rhomboid area where these muscles too can get tight. With this one, you're going to put the ball into the muscle and then using your body weight, apply pressure onto the ball, and then you're gently going to use your legs to rock up and down to again find those tender spots within the muscle. So as you can see, you can pretty much release off any muscle in the body if you can pin the ball between yourself and the wall. The final muscle that we're going to do is we're going to do the upper traps. Now the main belly of the upper trap is here. This one is very tight in a lot of people. So when you do this one, you may find that you get some referral coming up into the head. Don't worry, that's absolutely normal. You're not pinching a nerve or causing any damage. It's just a referral from the muscle that comes up into the head. So this one can be a really good one to do if you have a headache. So having a pint of water and doing this muscular release can really help to ease off most people's headaches. So what you will need for this is a doorway, because most people don't have a lovely cornered wall like this in their homes. You're going to imagine with this one that you're going into a rugby scrum. So you're going to put the ball onto the trap muscle, okay, so the belly of the muscle here. You're then going to come at a right angle to the wall, and you're then going to pin the ball between yourself and the wall. What you're then going to do is imagine you're walking through the wall, and this is how you apply the pressure to the muscle. You'll then very gently, very small movements, rocking from side to side to feel that tension and tender bits within the muscle, and that's how you release it off. Brilliant. And that's all the muscles that we need to teach you for the upper body. With all of these exercises, please remember to try and breathe. If you imagine your breath, as you breathe out, you're breathing into the muscle, it allows the muscle to relax much more easily. If you found these exercises useful, then please have a look for our lower body muscular releases. I'm Hannah Beard, chiropractor from Lifestyle Solutions Centre, Pure Wellness.